What is up, you guys? Back here again with Gap City Squad. Today we're going to change it up a bit. No Mark III Jetta. We're going to work on the GTI. So, what I got is something pretty cool. We're going to be putting it on. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Let's get to it. So right here we got a turbo muffler delete. Comes with the coupler. Comes with the muffler. Comes with the sticker. Comes with gummy bears. Can't beat it. This is the part number. This is the brand. This is what it is. So before I pull them out of the package, there's a few things we got to do. We got to jack up the passenger side of the car, because that's where the turbo muffler is. So we're going to do that. Got to remove the passenger side tire, and we should be able to gain access from there. Once the tire's off, you're going to want to remove some plastic panels. Very simple to remove. Now, this is what we'll be removing next. Got to remove those 2 bolts, and then that clamp, and then that clamp right there. So I got this removed. Now the tricky part is going to be getting those Allen screws loose. Anyway, that's what recirculates and causes the turbo to not sound as good. And this one is just a straight tube. Well, it's in there. I find it easier to leave the coupling off when putting those bolts on there, and then put it on once the bolts are tight. Boom! Boom! Now, before you go out and drive it around, make sure you tightened everything, and make sure you subscribed. Make sure to put your plastics on. Oh, and don't forget to put your tire back on. Okay, sound check. Oh. That's gonna be the end of the video. As always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.